Hey class, for this week's assignment I decided to do some research on the fields of anthropology, and one of those fields being forensics anthropology. So primarily, a forensic anthropologist, they analyze skeletal, decomposed, or otherwise unidentified human remains to aid in the detection of a crime. Forensic anthropologist needs to have a detailed knowledge of the anatomy of the human skeleton because pretty much in this line of work, bones is all that's left when they show up to the work site or the crime scene, for example. So having a primarily specialized knowledge in the human skeleton is key for forensic anthropology because they pretty much have to analyze each and every bone without measure. Two key issues or interests for forensic anthropology would be one, the identification of the individual. Two would be the evidence that relates to the events at death. So pretty much just identifying who these bones belong to and how did this individual unfortunately pass away or die. What surprised me with going through this research was forensic anthropologists work in disaster areas, places like Ground Zero, New York, like after 9/11, and the Gulf Coast in the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina. This is something, to be really honest, I never really thought about before until now, and it makes perfect sense that these forensic anthropologists would actually show up to these work sites or work areas or disaster zones, because who better else to identify a human body from bones than a forensic anthropologist. So pretty much that's what I found out so far.